I just want to say thanks to all the dealers out there, all the operators, all the staff, anybody in this power sports industry. This is the glue that kind of binds us, is talking about these problems, talking about these things from experts like Justin or anybody else that you heard on this podcast. We try to bring value to this. So if you see value in it, if you're listening to it now, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and definitely pass this along to someone who might find it beneficial to them or their dealership or their position. So thank you again, Justin, and we'll call it a day at that.
Thanks for having me, Jacob.